Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. If you remember from my last video, we talked about Ethereum having completed here this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulsive move to the upside into the region of around $4,800. Now that was forecasted. We hit the target level exactly that I highlighted when we were down here in the wave 3 or 4. Since then we have corrected. We have not hit the target level yet. So at the moment the bears are really struggling, and the bulls seem to get stronger again. The more this chart is continuing to be, on the bullish side, which means it does not sell off into this target area, into this ABC, to complete the ABC here. Basically what that would indicate is that we actually have not completed this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So basically what this currently means is that that was my assumption, that we've hit here a larger scale wave 1. So as you might know from the Elliott Wave method, you've got waves within waves. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside is also the same as a wave 1. Now this would have been here, this ABC, this would have been a wave 2, after which we will then see a wave 3 to the upside into higher regions. Now if we don't quickly sell off into this target range because the bulls remain quite strong, then this would indicate that actually we have not completed here the wave 1 or the smaller wave 5. So this will continue then, and we are actually not in a 3-part ABC correction here. So this would then indicate that we actually, before we see this wave 2, we have to complete this wave 1, and actually the wave 1, there would then be an alternative that would lie somewhere here, between the 5,000 roughly and the 5,500. So somewhere in here we would then see the wave 1 complete and also that wave 5. So basically I would assume we haven't seen the wave 5 yet, and we are going to go up once more before we actually then come down in a wave 2. At the moment it is looking actually like that we're going to continue this move to the upside, especially if Bitcoin is turning around, which I talked about in my Bitcoin Cardano video today, that I think it's now increasingly likely, or it is at least looking more that we are going to stay here above key support levels on the Bitcoin side. If that is confirmed, then I think Ethereum will also continue its way up, especially as we found support here at the 50-day moving average at around 4,160 and the 20-day moving average at around 4,450. So we are continuing our way up here, and it looks like we have not potentially completed this wave 5. So a little bit further room to the upside above 5,000 before we then could sell off into a wave 2 correction, after which we then continue our wave up in a wave 3. And to be honest, this here indicates that we are in a larger wave 1, and to be honest, you want to get into a trend, especially in wave 3. So obviously this all indicates further bullish moves. I think these are currently good prices to buy for Ethereum, considering what is going to happen here further, because we are only in a wave 1. You get a wave 2 then to the downside, a wave 3 to the upside, a wave 4 to the downside, and a wave 5 to the upside, which will give significant price increases. That's at least what I think here, and it's looking good. It's looking good so far, very bullish. Looks like we haven't even completed the wave 1 yet, but at the moment this scenario still remains for now. And even if we go higher, what then has to happen, then you will reach the wave 1 or smaller wave 5 somewhere up here around the 5,000, a little bit higher than 5,000. Then we also have to adjust later here this target range, because what happens then, I have to basically extend the fib levels. Then let's say we go to 5,200, then this whole target range will shift as well, and I need to move it, but I can't do that yet until I know that where the wave 1 will then peak, because at the moment it looks like the wave 1 has peaked up here. So we just need to remain a little bit patient and see what the market is doing. But overall, really looking good for Ethereum, very strong, very bullish. So hopefully you liked that video about Ethereum. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.